Dr. Carl Maher is a pediatric intensivist and the medical director of the critical care services at Driscoll Children's Hospital. He plays an important role at Driscoll's Pediatric Intensive Care Unit and the Driscoll Heart Center. As a pediatric intensivist, Dr. Maher cares for children at some of their most critical moments.
These are the kids that need life support often, so we have medicines keeping their heart pumping, we have ventilators keeping them breathing.
Dr. Maher was born in Southern California, where he spent the majority of his young life. He began medical school at Harvard School of Dental Medicine.
I was going to be a craniofacial surgeon. Then I decided I thought I might want to be a pediatric surgeon. I transferred at that point to George Washington University in Washington, D.C., and that's where I finished the med school part.
Working with the most critically ill patients is not always easy, but for Dr. Maher, his motivation never dwindles.
It's the families that motivate me because they're sitting there, going through all this, and they never leave. My shift ends, but I come back, they're in it, and that's the most precious thing in their life is their kids, so that's the most inspiring part to me.
Dr. Maher has been with Driscoll Children's Hospital for over 20 years, and for him, it's all about doing what's best for the patient and their family.
If they can want you there and be happy when they're in the worst straits, then you know that you're doing something right,